called the worm so sweet.
Today I flip and flap my wings,
and in the trees I sing. I see four girls
in locks and curls, they smell with sweet perfume.
I spread my wings and start to fly.
I close my eyes in glee.
What's this I feel?
A clash, a bang,
and with a thud I hit the floor. I look up and memories flash before my eyes.
My mother's words echoing in my mind. Beware of girls behind glass windows. My son, that's how your father died.
Sweet,
Sweet,
sweet.